Looking for a dependable replacement for your GM vehicle's keyless entry remote? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote is designed specifically to match your car's original remote in both function and durability. With standard lock and unlock buttons, a panic alarm, and a dedicated trunk release, this remote covers all the essentials you rely on every day. What sets this remote apart is its genuine GM engineering. Manufactured to meet the same rigorous standards as your vehicle's original parts, it delivers consistent performance and a long service life. That means you get peace of mind knowing your remote won't just work, it'll work well for years to come. Plus, it comes with batteries included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Programming this remote requires following specific steps and possibly using special tools, as detailed in GM service information. While it might take a little patience, the process ensures your remote syncs perfectly with your Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, or Cadillac. Many users have shared how, once paired correctly, the remote functions flawlessly. Some even found newer models compatible with older vehicles, expanding their options. One satisfied owner mentioned how the remote arrived quickly and matched the original exactly, even for a used Corvette. Though programming took a bit of trial and error, the key was having both the old and new remotes in the car during setup. That attention to detail made all the difference. If you're ready to replace a worn or lost remote, this is a reliable choice worth considering. If you value genuine parts that maintain your vehicle's integrity, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment remote fits the bill. GM engineers continually update their designs to incorporate new materials and technology, so you're not just getting a replacement, you're getting a product backed by decades of expertise and quality assurance. That's why many drivers trust GM genuine parts to keep their cars running smoothly. If that's you, someone who wants a hassle-free, long-lasting keyless entry remote that fits your GM vehicle perfectly, this remote is worth a look. It's designed to deliver the same convenience and security you expect from your original remote, without the guesswork or compromises. Try the ACDelco GM Original Equipment 4-button keyless entry remote when you're ready to restore full control to your vehicle. It's a straightforward upgrade that keeps you connected, secure, and in command, exactly how it should be.